Keyboarding, Lesson 28, Apply It Word Drills. Click in the window to activate it. On the Home tab in the Paragraph group, click the Show Hide. Follow the directions on the right-hand side, enter 3 times, key the text as shown, and then continue with the next screen. And you'll probably have to scroll to see everything. It's a long one. Select the title and choose bold. Select the title and choose the font to Arial. Change the font size to 14. And then center. So you're going to select the 3 side headings, quality control, so just point to it and click. And to click the next one, while you still have the first one, hold control and click, and then scroll down, hold control and click, and you will put them all in bold. So you do them at the same time. Turn the Show Hide on again. Select the 3 side headings. So the first one, click by itself, then hold control and click, and change the font size to 12. Click anywhere in the first paragraph and choose the line spacing to 2.0. Click right to the left of many and press Tab. Select the paragraph, the first paragraph, by clicking 3 times, and then change the font to Times New Roman. And this same paragraph, you want to change the font size to 12. So in each of the paragraphs below, you'll change them to double spacing. And then one more. And then you'll press Tab on the keyboard at the beginning of every paragraph.